Hi, I'm David Hauser, owner of Morningstar Doors and Windows, and today we're bringing you a how-to. Make sure to subscribe, follow us on Instagram at Morningstar Doors and Windows. If you like this, hit the like button and leave a comment. So now we're going to be taking a look at screen removal. We're going to start with Wincore. This is on a half screen. Whether it's the 7700 model, which we're currently looking at, or the 5400, they're both going to be the same as far as removing of the screen. So you want to lift this up, they're spring loaded, and basically just pull it to the left, and then you're going to get it in, just like that. I would be standing on the interior for this demonstration. The springs are right here, so it's pretty simple. To pop this back in, I'm just going to reverse what I did. Get that in, and then one side at a time, and if you need to access the other side, you go on the top and pop it in. That's it. Alright, so now we're going to be taking a look at a full screen of a Wincore. There's going to be two different full screens on a double hung. This is the standard screen if you have a white, clay, or tan exterior. So the first thing you want to do, I already have the window open, but I'm going to want to have it where both sashes are kind of right in the middle. Everything is pulling to the left, okay? And it's my left, not your left. Spring loaded, pull it to the left. Don't let go in case you're on the second floor, and you're going to be bringing this into the house like that, okay? So now your screen's out. So once you have the screen out, now we're going to put it back in. Just simply reverse the process. So just make sure you don't drop it. You're going to want to start up in the corner, get that in, pull it all the way over, and then pop that in, lift the sash up, bring the bottom corner back in. That's how we do it. Alright, now we're going to be taking a look at a double hung if you have an exterior color, whether that be brown, bronze, green, or whatever other color you may have ordered from Wincore. They use what's called a flex screen. It's a universal screen when you have an exterior color. Flex referring to you actually are able to flex it. So you're going to put pressure on the screen. This frame is flexible. Don't be afraid to bend it. It's not going to break. Okay, you're going to pop this out. And then bring that bad boy in. That's it. And put it back. We're going to reverse the process. Again, you're going to want to start in one of the corners, get that in, bring that up here, lift up the sashes, and then bring this in, and then make sure this is in the corner. And you're all set. Flex screen. So now we're taking a look at the Wincore casement. All right, regardless of model, they're all the same, and regardless of color. There is a invisible screen retention clip. Literally just going to pull it straight off. Take a look here. There's the spring. Okay. So once you have this off, you're going to just pop it back on. This is the easiest removal. You just want to hit it until it's all flush, and you're all set. One thing to note: a awning and casement will have the same screen removal, and a double hung and slider will have the same screen removal. There's a slight difference with the slider, which we'll show you in a second. All right, so like I mentioned with a slider, that the difference between this and a double hung is slightly different with how to take it out. This, you're pulling it down where the double hung is to the left. Casement and awning are identical. Slider is pulling it down, whether it's half or full.